सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा है जो आज आप लोगों से डिस्कस करेंगे सोना BLW प्रिसिजन जंप 6% post of Q3 result. Which should the investor do? And Sona BLW Precision reported profit after tax 150.7 crore in Q3 financial year 2026. Down the marginally 0.3% year on year from 151.2 crore in the year ago period. Sona BLW Precision the earning share price today. Or shares of automotive technology company Sona BLW Precision earnings surged nearly 6% to hit an intraday high of 482.45 on the national stock exchange after the company report better than expected earnings for the October-December quarter of the fiscal 2026. At 10:30 am, the company's share price was trading 3.3% higher at 471.35 compared to the previous session. The close of 456.10 on the NSE and the comparison the NSE Nifty50 was up 0.33% at 25,131.60 level. The market capitalization of the company stood at 29,311 crore. The stock has recovered around 27% from the 52-week low of 380 touch on April 7, 2025. Sona BLW Precision on Q3 result in the Q3 financial year 2026. Sona BLW Precision reported profit after tax of 150.7 crore, down marginally 0.3% year on year from 151.2 crore in the year ago period. The company revenue grew on 29% YoY to 1,208.5 crore in the December quarter against 868 crore in the year ago period. Profitability was impacted by a sharp decline in other income and the one-time labor cost adjustment during the quarter. The company reported a labor cost impact of 40 crore during the quarter. Or earning before interest, before the tax depreciation and the amortization, EBITDA increased 30% on YoY to 304.6 crore. However, EBITDA margin declined to 25.2% from 27% in the year ago period. Or analysis on Sona BLW Precision Q3 result. According to the GM Financial, despite the marginally headwind, the North America and Sona BLW's EV business grew 21% YoY, Q down 3% YoY, led by transactions from the other geographies, particularly Europe. Thank you.